giant river otter, 6 foot long and weighing 70 pounds. She's the glue that bonds her large family together. Along with her mate and older offspring, she defends a prime stretch of river, 5 miles long. At its heart, her den, a litter of cubs. At birth, they weighed less than a hamster. They must grow 150 times bigger before they can join the family mob. It's up to Mum to train them for life in this dangerous water world. Mum's trying to coax her cubs into the great outdoors. It could take some time, but one day they'll be as long and as brave as lions. First impressions of the outside world are a bit overwhelming, but 100 decibel calls, as loud as a chainsaw, are what keeps this family together. So, she'd better get used to it.